결혼을 앞둔 한 여자가 홀로 깊은 생각에 잠겨 있습니다. 바로 그녀의 마음 한켠에 잊지 못한 남자였죠.
Oh, what the hell? As long as the room's paid for, I might as well get my money's worth.
You hollow, manipulative piece of shit. Everything you are is between your legs.
Well, then why don't you come over here and give me a kiss? Good morning.
남자의 상식 밖의 행동의 여자는
Trying to go home. I don't know what the hell I'm doing here.
It's called Russ, baby.
Fuck you! I don't have to take this shit.
그녀에게 그 남자가 어떤 존재이길래 이리도 마음이 흔들리는 건지. 오늘도 스르륵 투문정션 지금 시작합니다. 졸업 파티 준비로 분주한 휘킹 마크파 여자대학.
For those of you who are graduating, this is your farewell ball. Congratulations, girls, and God bless you.
파티가 시작되자 학생들 모두 누군가를 맞이할 준비를 합니다.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, I have the pleasure of presenting the queen of the Phi Gamma Kappa Spring Ball, Miss April DeLongpre, and the fiancé, Mr. Chad Douglas Fairchild, president of our brother fraternity, Alpha Lambda Chi. The next time we all will be dancing together will be at their wedding.
오늘 파티의 여왕이자 명문대 회장의 약혼녀인 에이프릴. 손등의 이맞춤으로 파티는 시작됩니다.
This is a dream come true for me, baby. From the moment I first laid my eyes on you, we were freshmen. I knew that one day you'd be my wife, and this is just the beginning. I've got it all planned out. What I want is to make you happy. What I want is to give you everything your little heart desires. Don't do this to me, baby. You're driving me nuts.
That's the idea, Chad.
약혼자인 채드. 그녀를 위해서라면 세상 무엇이든 내줄 준비가 되어 있습니다. 다음날 에이프릴은 수영을 즐기고 있습니다. 한편 근처에선 이동 놀이동산이 들어서고 있었습니다. 수영을 마친 에이프릴, 샤워 중 문득 거부할 수 없는 무언가에 이끌립니다. 찰나의 시선 속에서 그녀의 세상이 아주 천천히 욕망의 뿌리가 자라나기 시작했습니다. 다음날 에이프릴은 동생들과 함께 놀이동산에 놀러왔습니다. 동생들이 노는 모습을 바라보는 에이프릴. 문득 한 곳에 시선이 머뭅니다.
Please, girls, we really should go home.
Just one more time, it's so much fun.
I'll get them off for you, miss. I used to be a goddamned elephant tamer.
Kyle, leave him be. Move out of the way. This one's on the house.
에이프릴 시선이 닿은 남자. 그의 이름은 페리. 그는 동생들에게 한 번 더 태워주겠다고 말합니다.
How about you, princess? You want to take a spin?
I'm not a princess.
I knew a real one once. She was from the Sudan. Her daddy was king for a day.
You better do what he says, ma'am. Because if you don't, he's just going to hold your kinfolk hostage till you do.
I'd really rather not.
Come on, April, one more time. It's so fun, you'll love it.
Come on, girls, we're going home now. Could you please let them out?
Cut him loose, Speed. My pleasure. Kyle, you tried hard, but you can't win them all. Round one goes to the princess.
집으로 돌아가려던 순간
Is there a Mr. Longpre in the crowd? Hey,
페리가 그녀의 이름을 부릅니다.
darling, I'm talking to you. I found this on the ground.
Thank you.
How do I know who you are, princess? How do I know you're the real April DeLongpre? And who Who's this good-looking devil, April? He your husband?
Not yet. 2 more weeks.
Choo Choo. What kind of name is that?
His real name's Chad. She just calls him Choo Choo.
May I have my wallet back,
You bet,
please?
April. Sure thing. Anything you say.
지갑은 돌려받지만 기분은 묘합니다.
Hey, Choo Choo. I want to wish you the best.
Now you say hello to your mommy and daddy for me. Tell your daddy I'm looking forward to.
집으로 돌아온 두 사람 헤어지기 전 짧은 대화를 나눕니다.
Let's go for a ride. Get a motel room or something. What do you say?
We're gonna have the whole rest of our lives to be together.
You drive me crazy. You do. I'm never sure about you. I never know what you want.
Bye bye.
Won't be long now, sugar.
짧은 속삭임 그리고 입맞춤. 하지만 에이프릴의 표정은 밝지만은 않습니다.
I'm coming. I'm coming. I know you love me. I love you too.
유원지의 저녁, 페리는 자신이 키우는 개와 시간을 보내고 있습니다.
Keep you cooped up in here all the time. And you're so fucking tough. Good looking and so tough.
원판이 떨어진 그곳에 낯익은 여인이 페리를 바라보고 있습니다.
Remember me? The man who returned your wallet?
시선이 이끄는 곳으로 페리는 천천히 다가가 말을 겁니다.
Aren't you gonna talk to me? You know the first thing I thought about when I saw you? I really did think that, hope's a better word for it, that you were out here looking for me. Are you?
Couldn't sleep.
I know you've got a lot of things on your mind right now. With the wedding coming up, everything.
조금씩 가까워지더니 그는 조용히 말을 꺼냅니다.
I can understand that. So, I'll be saying goodnight.
설렘과 긴장 사이 그녀 앞엔 체드와는 전혀 다른 얼굴이 있습니다.
Goodnight.
Good night.
짧은 인사만 남기고 에이프릴은 조용히 집으로 향합니다. 다음날 에이프릴 가족은 여행을 떠날 준비를 합니다.
Sure you don't want to come along with us, darling? I hate leaving you here all alone.
Oh, I'd rather not, Dad. It's just the weekend. Besides, I have so much to do yet before the wedding.
You take it easy, honey.
Have a good time.
Bye.
Bye.
Good.
Bye, April.
그렇게 혼자 남겨진 에이프릴 조용히 휴식을 취하기 시작하는데 어디서 본 듯한 강아지. 혹시나 하는 마음에 에이프릴은 집 안으로 발걸음을 옮깁니다. 선명하게 들려오는 물소리. 누군가 집 안에 있는 것 같습니다. 에이프릴은 용기 내어 한마디를 꺼냅니다.
I want you to get out of my house. Do you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to inconvenience you. It's just that I needed a nice hot shower. It sure is nice smelling soap.
I'm warning you.
No wonder women smell so good. What is it? Essence of lilac?
I want you to leave this house immediately or I'm going to call the police.
No, ma'am. If you got any ideas about going near that phone, I might just take it upon myself to walk out in the front lawn. Naked. Bare ass. Naked. You wouldn't want that, would you?
말로는 더 이상 통하지 않아 에이프릴은 다른 선택을 합니다. 집을 벗어나려던 에이프릴은 갑자기 걸음을 멈춥니다. 그녀의 마음엔 두려움보단 이상하게 더 큰 끌림이 자리합니다.
It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
어느새 에이프릴 곁에 페리가 서 있습니다.
You had your chance, but you didn't run away, did you?
No, I didn't.
And you didn't call the police either.
No, I didn't.
Why?
거실로 향하며 둘은 대화를 이어가기 시작합니다.
You frightened me.
I understand. I'm sorry I had to come into your house like this, but since I'm only going to be in town a day or so, that doesn't give us much time. And I knew you wouldn't mind. Let's go over there. Sit on the couch. And get to know one another.
You're the cockiest son of a bitch I've ever met in my life.
Not really. I just like to hear myself talk. And I like beautiful things. And a woman like you comes along only once in a lifetime.
Bullshit.
I swear.
페리는 에이프릴을 보며 한 가지 부탁을 합니다.
I'd like you to give me a bottle of your perfume. As I'm driving from town to town, put a little on my hand. Right there. I'll bring it up to my nose, and every time I smell it, I'll remember you and how beautiful you are. Yeah, help me if you don't have beautiful skin. You smell so good. I can't keep my hands off of you. I was gonna come and just have a shower, a nice hot cup of coffee, but you excite me so much I can't help myself.
Like this has ever happened to me before.
알 수 없는 끌림 속에서 두 사람 사이에 공기가 천천히 달아오릅니다.
Oh boy. There it is.
페리는 캠코더를 발견하고 조심스레 TV에 연결합니다.
There you are on TV. How about a little smile? You don't feel like smiling. I can understand that. But April, darling, I didn't just show up here by mistake. You invited me. You might not know it, but you did. It's all right there in your eyes.
그렇게 약속한 적도 없던 두 사람은 그날 밤에 눈빛으로 약속하고 서로에게 끌려 마침내 마음을 보게 듯 하나가 됩니다.
April, it's me, baby. I just spoke to the real estate agent in Tuscaloosa. The condo's ours. Congratulations. Look, I'm gonna stay up here a few more days, lock things down, make sure everything's perfect when we get here, okay? I love you, baby.
최대의 목소리에도 더는 아무 감정 없고 에이프릴의 머릿속은 복잡하기만 합니다. 다음날 에이프릴은 누군가의 집에 도착했습니다.
April, honey. Let me look at you. You're gonna be the prettiest bridesmaid since your grandma walked down that staircase on her daddy's arms.
We got that photograph of you and that handsome beau of yours just dancing away at the sorority ball. Wait a minute. Belle, got a surprise for you. Look who come to visit.
Well, I can see. April, honey, how wonderful of you to come out all this way just to see us.
사랑하는 할머니와 짧은 인사를 나눈 뒤 두 사람은 예비신랑 이야기로 대화를 시작합니다.
Well, come here and tell me, child. Have you tamed Chad yet? And don't you do it either. Just keep him wild as long as you can.
You're incorrigible, Grandma.
Well, now, don't you grandma me, April. You know very well what I'm talking about, too. I've been watching you at parties and with boys ever since you were a little girl, and I might say you come by it naturally.
어릴 적부터 모두의 사랑을 받았던 손녀. 할머니는 그런 에이프릴을 누구보다 잘 알고 있었습니다.
Sometimes I get this feeling inside, Belle. I'm so scared.
I really find that hard to believe, April. But when I was your age, I was expecting a baby. That was the year my father died, and everything fell on my shoulders. And your grandfather, rest his soul, he wasn't much help to me. But he was the most handsome and virile man in the county. And every woman that set her eyes on him wanted him. So I disciplined myself to play the cards that life dealt me.
You never had second thoughts.
April, second thoughts are a luxury I've never afforded myself, and neither should you.
It's just everything's moving so fast.
에이프릴은 차마 할머니에게 자신의 상황을 털어놓지 못하고 이렇게 말합니다.
I feel that I haven't had enough time for me. Delilah, if my mom or anyone else calls, could you tell them I'm here, please? But then I'm out taking a walk or something. Just don't feel like going home just yet.
이제 떠나려고 할 때 할머니가 부릅니다.
April, I don't know if your father told you, but I'm arranging for you to have this house after I'm gone. This house and the property from here to Two Moon Junction.
생각도 못한 할머니의 이야기에
I don't know what to say.
에이프릴은 어찌할 바를 모릅니다.
There'll be a trust to take care of the taxes and general maintenance, and all I need you to do is to make sure that when your time comes, you see that it stays in the family. Can you do that for me, April?
Of course.
And I also want to say how proud I am that you've chosen to wear my wedding dress.
할머니의 사랑 앞에서 에이프릴은 감사와 미안함이 뒤섞인 눈물을 흘립니다.
You deserve it, honey. You deserve it.
그날 저녁 에이프릴의 발걸음은 다시 유원지를 향합니다. 술에 취한 페리, 그 위에서 춤을 추는 다른 여자. 에이프릴은 그저 바라볼 뿐입니다. 이때 페리가 한마디 합니다.
Got any lick in your purse?
No.
Well, you got some money. Go get me some. Go with her. Bourbon. Give me some bourbon. Go on.
Don't pay any attention to him. He's just drunk.
Maybe she's right. Maybe I should come back when you're feeling better. What the hell am I doing here?
Well, he does have a certain charm about him when he's not like this. What are you gonna do? You know? Let's just go get the son of a bitch and leave.
그렇게 에이프릴은 여자와 함께 술 심부름을 합니다.
I swear to God, I can't stand them when they get drunk. And believe me, I have learned that you never want to mess with them when they get that way. You just gotta ride it out until it passes. Besides, with most of them, they ain't drunk, they're dull as hell. I'm glad you came along, though, because he was starting to drive me crazy. Hey, what did you say your name was? Is your name April? Yes! I knew it! I knew. You're the one that's about to be married, right? Perry told me all about you the first time we met. I'm Patty Jean. Hang on.
패티는 모든 감정을 쏟아내듯 미친 듯이 속도를 높입니다.
Hang on. We're here.
Okay. Hey, you got a bathroom? God, I'm gonna pee my fucking pants. You gotta get the liquor. I gotta go to the bathroom bad.
속도를 낸 이유가 화장실 때문인지 패티는 급하게 화장실을 갑니다. 술을 산 뒤 화장실에 들어선 에이프릴. 그 사이에 패티는 거울 앞에서 한참 치장 중입니다.
I bet you got great tits. I can tell. But you shouldn't cover them up or be ashamed of them.
패티의 조언대로 옷을 코디하는데
Looks good, doesn't it?
완성된 그녀의 모습은 더 대담하고 이전과는 전혀 다른 매력을 풍깁니다.
It's at moments like this I can see why guys like women so much.
한편 유원지에는 무언가 큰일이 벌어지고 있습니다. 레버는 이미 말을 듣지 않습니다. 페리가 빨리 와야 할 것 같습니다. 페리가 도착해 레버를 세게 당깁니다. 하지만 멈추지 않던 놀이기구는 발전기를 부셔야 상황을 끝낼 수 있었습니다.
Money! You want money? Here! Take it! Here! Take it all! Get your stuff on! Stay back!
사장에게 항의였던 그때 갑자기 누군가 총을 겨눕니다.
What you got there, Bob? Is that a gun?
총을 막아낸 그 순간 현장은 순식간에 난투극으로 변집니다. 돌아오던 길 눈앞에 펼쳐진 혼란스러운 광경. 패티는 바로 핸들을 틀어 페리 쪽으로 돌진합니다. 마치 펀치머신을 치듯 패티의 주먹이 본능적으로 뻗어나갑니다. 페리의 강아지까지 합세해 거침없이 무리들에게 달려듭니다. 에이프릴도 뛰쳐나가 손에 쥔 술병으로 한 방 날립니다. 힘이 닿은 강성, 휘저어진 부기로 그렇게 단 한 발의 총성으로 난투극은 멈추고 놀람과 걱정이 뒤섞인 채 에이프릴은 페리의 품에 안깁니다.
Get your fucking dog and your fucking girls and get out of here now.
강아지를 묻어준 뒤 페리는 잠시 에이프릴을 바라보다가 조용히 말을 꺼냅니다.
The lady's got a secret, don't you? I ain't got no secret. I ain't got nothing except a bike, a truck, a post office box in Clearwater, Florida.
페리의 말 속엔 에이프릴이 마음을 깨뜨는 진심이 담겨 있습니다. 그렇게 두 사람은 모텔에 도착하고 그렇게 둘은 또 한 번 서로의 마음을 확인합니다. 다음날 아침, 에이프릴은 페리의 이마에 키스한 뒤 조용히 자리를 떠납니다. 그녀가 향한 곳은 근처의 공중전화. 에이프릴은 누군가에게 전화를 겁니다.
Hello? Delilah? It's me, April.
April, honey?
Did my mother or anyone else call for me?
Why, no, honey.
Okay, well, if they do, could you just tell them that I'm on my way home?
Of course.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
에이프릴이 나간 사이 페리는 다른 여자들과 대화를 나누고 있습니다.
Son of a bitch. Bed's barely even cold. You're already trying to get someone else into it?
Oh, what the hell? I figure as long as the room's paid for, I might as well get my money's worth.
You hollow, manipulative piece of shit. Everything you are is between your legs.
Well, then why don't you come over here and give me a kiss good morning?
페리의 헛소리에 그녀는
Trying to go home. I don't know what the hell I'm doing here.
It's called lust, baby. Yep, there's no mistaking it. What's happened to April is she's come face to face with her libido.
Fuck you, I don't have to take this shit.
화가 난 채 나가는 에이프릴. 그때 페리가 한마디 던집니다.
I bet you didn't think I knew what that word meant, but I do. Libido! Unchecked desire.
Who the fuck do you think you are? You come to my house and take
It's
me.
not your house, sweetheart. It's your mommy and daddy's house, and you invited me.
I don't recall giving you my address and phone number.
You came here because you wanted to come.
You can believe anything you want. You're so far gone, there's no hope. You're psychotic. You know what that means? Fundamental mental derangement. You are beyond social redemption.
It's better than being hysterical.
You lose, mister. You're all alone. You don't care about anybody, and nobody gives a shit about you.
서로를 향한 감정이 폭발했지만 그 싸움은 마치 유치한 아이들의 다툼 같았습니다.
Cocksucker.
Dreambug.
Scumbag.
Precious.
Pig shit.
Dumpling.
Scumbag.
You already said that.
Bastard.
Oh, better be careful what you say, or people around here might think we like each other.
You can rot in hell for all I care.
I'm sorry for the disturbance, folks, but you got to admit that's one special wacko chick.
페리의 재치 있는 농담으로 무겁던 공기가 조금은 가벼워집니다.
I'm gonna buy you breakfast, asshole.
식사가 이어지며 두 사람의 대화는 점점 더 깊어집니다.
You know, I have a grandmother that I'm sure was about the hottest thing on the planet. There was a time every Saturday night, and they dress up in tuxedos and gowns, and I'll go down to our pavilion at Two Moon Junction and dance all night long.
Two Moon Junction?
That's my favorite place in all the world. My great-great-granddaddy was a pirate, you know.
No.
Really? Yeah, he and Lafitte and a bunch of the others got very pissed off at the slave traders and started raiding their ships and setting all the slaves free in South America. My grandmother says it was because they had this dream of America being the last bastion of freedom. But then they realized the problem was bigger than they were and they really couldn't do anything about it. So they settled down the land and started raising cotton.
And put the slaves to work on the plantation.
My grandmother says he did it because he finally came to understand there would never be heaven on earth. For as long as the earth turns, there's always going to be corruption. Nothing was ever going to be perfect.
What you mean to say is that there was more money in Cotton than in being a hero.
Something like that.
You're gonna make a hell of a lawyer, sweetheart.
I expect to live a double life.
점점 솔직해진 에이프릴에게 페리는 장난스레 말을 건넵니다.
Yeah, I thought you were just another tight-ass princess. You look like a princess. You talk like a princess. And you definitely have a tight ass.
밀치고 엉키던 두 사람, 그 격한 숨결 속에서 입맞춤이 시작됩니다. 한참 욕망에 빠져있던 두 사람, 갑자기 정신이 든 듯 멈춰섭니다.
Darling, don't ever take a Southern woman for granted.
한마디를 남긴 에이프릴, 아무 일도 없다는 듯 자리를 뜹니다.
Excuse me, son. Is that your rig parked over there at Malcolm's place?
낯선 경찰관이 다가와 페리에게 주차한 차량이 본인 것이냐고 묻습니다.
Well, there they be, son. Jonah and Jonah Jr. They're so old they can't remember who's pappy and who's son. They're weird and full of superstition. Burying a dead animal on their land could cause the cows to give bloody milk. Bring on a swarm of locusts. Jonah Jr. I told this boy here if he'd dig up his animal, I might be able to persuade you to drop the charges against him. You see, it was dark, and he wanted a nice place to put his animal to rest. He didn't know he was trespassing, and he's sorry.
페리가 강아지를 묻은 그 땅은 사유지였던 것이었습니다.
Do yourself a favor, son.
그렇게 페리는 묻어둔 강아지를 다시 꺼냅니다.
The song they're singing goes way back. It's a kind of prayer.
그리고 그는 강아지를 불에 태워 보내줍니다. 결혼식 전날 한창 준비가 이어지던 그때 작은 이벤트가 열립니다. 노래는 엉망이지만 낭만만큼은 합격입니다. 에이프릴은 순간 익숙한 누군가를 발견합니다. 그 사람이었습니다. 그녀의 욕망을 깨웠던 페리.
Isn't he the one at the carnival? You know, the one that found your wallet.
I don't recall.
에이프릴은 차마 그를 알아보지 못한 척합니다. 그날 저녁 평온하던 방 안 흔적 하나가 눈에 들어옵니다. 투문 정션은 사랑보다 조금 더 솔직한 이야기입니다. 우리가 사랑이라 부르는 그 감정 안엔 설렘도 있지만 욕망, 불안, 그리고 자기 자신을 확인하고 싶은 마음이 있죠. 에이프릴은 그 경계에서 흔들립니다. 누구의 아내가 되기 전 한 사람으로서 나를 이해하려고 했던 거였죠. 그래서 이 영화는 결국 불륜의 이야기이자 동시에 자신을 찾아가는 한 사람의 성장이기도 합니다. 사랑과 욕망의 경계, 그 어딘가 멈춰선 이야기. 오늘도 스르륵 굿나잇 필름.